Hello viewers, welcome to our channel GK Horizon by AI. In this session, we will have some important questions on general sciences. Some brief notes regarding the questions and their related options are also provided here. I hope it will definitely help you in different competitive exams and quiz competitions. So stay tuned in this video. The first question. Which of the following is called Philosopher's wool? Option 1, zinc chloride. Option 2, zinc oxide. Option 3, zinc nitrate. And option 4, aluminum oxide. And the correct answer is zinc oxide. That is option 2. Zinc oxide, that is generally is commonly known as Philosopher's wool. It is an inorganic compound which is white in color and has a powdery texture. Next question. Blood group was discovered by option 1 Robert Koch, option 2 Karl Landsteiner, option 3 Louis Pasteur, and option 4 is Stanley. And the correct answer is Karl Landsteiner. Karl Landsteiner has been credited for the discovery of ABO blood group system. His extensive research on serology based on simple but strong scientific reasoning lead to the identification of major blood groups such as O, A and B types, compatibility testing and subsequent transfusion practices. Next questions. The dash lens is thick at the middle and thin at the edges. You have to fill in the blanks. The option 1 is concave lens, option 2 is convex lens, option 3 biconcave lens, option 4 none of the above. And the correct answer is convex lens, that is option 2. This is the image of a convex lens. A convex lens is a converging lens that converges light rays that travel parallel to its principal axis. Convex lenses are thicker in the middle, that is, it is middle in the thicker, and are relatively thin at sides. The sides are thinner than this middle portion. Okay. The edges of the lens are curved outward. It is also curved outward. Okay. This is the image of convex lens, concave lens. Next question. Dynamo is used to convert option 1 mechanical energy to chemical energy, option 2 mechanical energy to electrical energy, option 3 electrical energy to chemical energy, and option 4 electrical energy to mechanical energy. And the answer is mechanical energy to electrical energy. That is option 2. Dynamo is also called a generator. A dynamo is an electrical generator that creates direct current using a commutator. Next question. Which of the following gas is known as noble gas? Option 1 is hydrogen, option 2 oxygen, option 3 helium, and option 4 is carbon dioxide. And the correct answer is helium. That is option 3. A noble gas is made up of a class of chemical elements with similar properties. Under standard conditions, they are all odorless, colorless, monoatomic gases with very low chemical reactivity. Noble gas, any of the 7 chemical elements that make up group 18 of the periodic table. The elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, and organoxene. Next question. Plaster of Paris is product of option 1 magnesium, option 2 calcium, option 3 sodium, and option 4 is zinc. And the correct answer is option 2 calcium. The chemical name of plaster of Paris is 2CaSO4.H2O. and the chemical name of gypsum is CaSO4.2H2O. Next question. Which enzyme digests protein in the stomach? Option 1 pepsin, option 2 trypsin, option 3 salivary amylase, and option 4 is none of these. And the correct answer is option 1 pepsin. In stomach 2 enzyme helps in protein digestion, that is pepsin and renin. In the stomach, renin converts milk protein caseinogen into casein. Trypsin present in the pancreatic juice. It helps in the digestion of protein. Next question. Sound cannot travel through option 1 vacuum, option 2 metal, option 3 water, and option 4 is gas. And the correct answer is vacuum. Sound is longitudinal mechanical wave. To travel, sound must need a medium. Among the 4 above options, that is vacuum, metal, water and gas, sound intensity will be maximum in the metal. Next question. The main pollutant responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy is option 1 methyl isocyanate, option 2 hydrogen cyanide, option C CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon, option 4 is ethyl isocyanate. And the correct answer is methyl isocyanate, that is option 1. 40 tons toxic gas methyl isocyanate got accidentally released from the Union Carbide's Bhopal. Next question. Which one is the ore of iron? Option 1 magnetite, option 2 hematite, option 3 limonite, and option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above, that is option 4. Iron ore is a mineral substance which, when heated in the presence of reductant, will yield metallic iron. It almost always consists of iron oxide. The primary forms, which are magnetite and hematite. Magnetite, hematite, siderite, limonite are 4 types of iron ores found in India. India has 20% of the world's total iron ore reserve. Next question. Which of the following is most needed to digest food in the stomach? Option 1 is enzyme, option 2 mineral, option 3 water, and option 4 is air. And the correct answer is water. Next question. Hemoglobin is a option 1 protein, option 2 fat, option 3 carbohydrate, and option 4 is vitamins. And the correct answer is option 1 protein. Hemoglobin is the protein contained in red blood cells that is responsible for delivery of oxygen to tissue. To ensure adequate tissue oxygenation, a sufficient hemoglobin level must be maintained. Next question. Which of the following vitamin is rapidly manufactured in our body? Option 1 is vitamin A, option 2 vitamin B, option C vitamin C, option 4 is vitamin D, and the correct answer is vitamin D, that is option 4. Vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin like vitamin A, D, E, K. Other fat soluble vitamins are fat soluble A, D, E and K. These are fat soluble vitamin. And B, C, P are water soluble vitamin. Vitamin D also known as calciferol. And due to vitamin D deficiency, ricket and osteomalacia occur. Which one of the following device is used for detecting light? Option 1 is polygraph, option 2 is pyrometer, option 3 is gyroscope, and option 4 is kymograph. And the correct option is option 1 polygraph. A polygraph is the best known technique for psychophysiological detection of deception. The goal of all these techniques is to detect deception by analyzing signals, changes in the bodies that cannot normally be detected by human observation. Next question. The sky appears blue due to its option 1 scattering of light, option 2 diffraction of light, option 3 refraction of light, and option 4 is reflection of light. And the correct answer is option 1, that is scattering of light. Sunlight reaches Earth's atmosphere and is scattered in all directions by all the gases and particles in the air. Blue light is scattered more than other colors because it travels as shorter and smaller waves. This is why we see blue sky most of the time. Next question. Most commonly used bleaching agent is option 1 chlorine, option 2 alcohol, option 3 nitrogen, and option 4 is halogen. And the correct answer is option 1 halogen. Bleaching agents are also those compounds which are used to remove color from the substances such as textile. Bleaching process includes the oxidation and reduction process which degrade the system of the colors. When both oxidation and reduction process occurs in the same chemical reaction are known as redox reaction. Chlorine acts as a bleaching agent because it tends to release bleaches and disinfectants which depends on the property of its strong activity of chlorine towards the organic compounds, especially because of its oxidizing property, as it has strong affinity for electrons. Chlorine needs moisture to occur in its bleaching action. When chlorine reacts with water, it forms an unstable compound called hypochlorous and hypochloric acid. So the hypochloric acid dissociate and form nascent oxygen. So this will be hypochloric acid. Hypochloric acid. The D will be replaced by P. That is, this hypochlorous and hypochloric acid. The excretory organ of prawn is option 1 green gland, option 2 maleficent tubule, option 3 nephritia, and option 4 is none of the above. And the correct answer is option 1, that is green gland. The green gland is the excretory organ for prawn and crab. Maleficent tubules is the excretory organ for cockroach, whereas nephritia is the accessory excretory organ in annelids. In amoeba, contractile vacuole is the excretory organ. Next question. In case of rusting, the weight of iron will be option 1 increase, option 2 decrease, option 3 remain same, and option 4 is uncertain. And the correct answer is option 1, that is increase. When iron oxidizes, oxygen from the air combines with the iron to make iron oxide or rust. So the weight of the iron increases. Next question. In eye donation, which part of the donor's eye is utilized? Option 1 iris, option 2 retina, option 3 lens, and option 4 is cornea. And the correct answer is option 4 cornea. Cornea is the tissue that is most frequently donated and transplanted. It is a contact lens-sized, clear piece of tissue which is present in front of the eye. It is particularly impossible to transplant the whole eye, as the nerve fibers once cut can never be reconnected. So the main reason is that practically it is impossible to transplant the whole eye. Okay, that's why cornea tissue is used to donate and transplant it. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.